the thunder of our call. We will never kneel or fall. Through the dark and through the flame, we rise again, we rise again. From the ashes of the past, we were forged in steel.